Hello Evermenders, I'm in Japan and today I'm going to do a Sashiko workshop, so come with me. からお飲みください。ご協力をお願いします。
It is from Edo period, so I think more.
Yeah.
More than 100.
Damn.
More than 100.
Damn.
Right.
That is quite amazing to see.
So my feedback about the workshop, I really enjoyed the workshop. It was really nice to learn this technique and also ask every question that I had because I saw a lot of videos how to do sashiko, but there's always some doubts in how to do it and the way that it's done. Well, I thought I was like a bit expensive, I can say, like according to all the prices around here in Japan, the costs of activities, I think it was expensive, and I didn't get any material extra or a kit to continue the method, to continue the sashiko. So I think it was expensive with no materials to do after it. So, but it was really nice. I really enjoyed it, and if you want to do it, there's a link below of that workshop. So I hope you like this video and see you on the next one.